This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brittany Knight. Waterfront bottom 4 condo in gated golf community. This 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo features an open concept floor plan. With ceramic tile throughout, neutral paint, and stainless steel appliances. Washer and dryer come with a sale and are located inside the unit. Community features include gated with guard 24 hours, community pool, clubhouse, fitness center, walking trails, 2 playground, sports fields including tennis courts, and more. Country club/golf memberships optional but required for use. Parking space assigned. Hunters Green is a resort-style community only 15 minutes from USF, 25 minutes from Downtown Tampa and UT. For more information, review the details below or contact Brittany Knight at 352-455-7711.